So the value of these programs is to put kids into skilled trades, construction, welding, any of the other skilled jobs that pay well and are a great career for kids.
You get out there and actually experience what you'd be doing at a real job. There's more freedom too. It's almost like an art class. You get to try new things.
I've learned that there's different forms, different gases you have to use, different techniques in almost everything, and it depends what you're building.
And the tools they use, the things we do in the shop, the things we build, is stuff that they will see in the real world, and we try and keep it as real as possible. They get a taste of what it's going to be like in a welding shop. They have to dress appropriately, they have to show up on time. We do a time card that they lose points for if they're not in the right uniform, wearing the right protective gear.
If you're trying to get into the industry, you need your OSHA certificate, and through the welding program, I was able to get my certification at the age of 17.
The bigger picture piece is that when those kids graduate, they're already enrolled at WNC. They already have credits towards an associate's degree, which sets them up for success. So that way they can shorten that learning curve or that time period of graduation to getting that high skill, high wage, in demand job and moving them up.
They're doing a really good job of teaching them the skills that translate directly into the job knowledge and things that they need to know to be able to be useful and productive employees.
I feel like I'll be able to use this in my future for jobs. Having experience with it will help me maybe get harder jobs, better positions. It's a head start into my career.